So on the driver's side to wind up the lights, windows in the vehicle. So yeah, this one, which is the passenger side front, is giving trouble. I could get these on Amazon for, not Amazon actually, eBay for about 22, 23 US. Problem is, they all seem to be coming for the US market, and of course, being in the Caribbean, English speaking, we drive on the correct side of the road. So that said, this will be reversed, and therefore you'll have problems. The contacts may not match up, so it doesn't make sense spend 20 something US plus whatever they charge me at the imports and shipping, and to getting something that may not work. I think I have looked at this before, and it probably is nearly impossible to fix, but we'll see. Okay, these take them out, 2 screws here, 1 screw there. So let me take it out. Let me see if I can figure out what's wrong with the contacts on this. I think it's maybe just pitted, corroded, or maybe just deflected a bit too much. So let me see if I can fix it. I could have sworn these were actual physical switches here, but they're not. They're actually just pieces that move but connect to the physical switches that are on the other side of this board. I don't recall, I'm sure I opened this before. I don't recall a whole board in here, so yeah, lots of fun. There's a green LED in here. I can't recall ever seeing anything green. Maybe it does actually glow in the night and I never noticed. Who knows, maybe it does. So let me open this and see if I can get the other side of the contacts. A lot of effort. I was able to get this thing separated from this. As you could see, there's quite a few pins here, 2 pins there. This one was obvious. Those 3 happen to be wrong, and next set here, there, here. Lots and lots of effort. I'm no good at the soldering, and this much soldering pump. Who would have thought? This thing is that freaking complicated. Alright, the main driver one is actually a variable resistor. These are double switches. This is the front passenger side has a problem. Back side right behind the driver, and back side in front of behind the passenger. And then this is the other button. One of these is for the windows lock, and one is for the door locks, I think. Notwithstanding, I'm going to try swapping out this one and this one, because this switch works in the car manually. This one does not work, so I have to use the switch, and this seems to be the problematic one. I never thought this thing had a full microcontroller, this much parts in it. I really thought this was a simple dumb system where, you know, it's either the switch comes on from here or the switch comes on from there. Beyond that, as we expect, 2 relays that allows us to automatically lock things down. So that makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. But this, wow. So let me go and desolder these things. Desolder this one, and swap them out and see if it works. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I give up, because this damn thing is way too complicated. I'm just gonna buy a next one. But never really expected this at all. Must see. It's amazing. Opened up this switch in problems. This is the top switch here. That is the bottom one there. 2 balls fit into that hole there with that spring, and it rocks. As you can clearly see, there's a lot of very dark areas, which suggests quite a bit of arcing, which probably explains why the switch is largely dead. So I'm going to try to clean it up, but let's be realistic. Once those contacts have gotten to that level, they're probably not going to be fixed. It may work a little bit better, but not much hope really in life. Well, I managed to shine these up really nice. In fact, those balls are actually at an angle. I'll take a picture and slip that picture in around now in the video, so you can see the angle these things at. Well, actually has a tilt here, you can be seen, but I'll still slip in a picture. So those things are not exactly straight, which makes sense. As it tilts down, it gets a flat face to match the angle. And then these are now shiny, and this is the Q-tip I used. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of carbonation, lots of problems. So I'll clean up a little bit, and I'll take a good picture of this to put in, and this, all these things, take a quite close picture, and then let's put this together back and hope I can get it to work. Hope I can fit it back together. Well, I got it back together. hopefully it works, because this would really suck if I solder everything together and this doesn't work. I'm gonna have to figure that out. If that happens, I'll probably have to cut the contacts on the bottom, because I'm not gonna do it for this whole thing. But anyway, it works. Lots of fun, as you can imagine. Spring, ball, and rock arm. Spring, ball, rock arm. So 6 parts moving all around. Let's see if it works. Let's put everything together and test it out. It's all soldered back, assembled, ready to go. Cleaned up a little bit with some methylated spirit. As you can see, it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. I could have done the whole inside of here and done this properly, but yeah, this doesn't really make much sense to do. But I could have cleaned up all this a lot nicer and make it a lot better. Notwithstanding, it really is amazing. This took like about 4 minutes to resolder. Took about 3 hours, 3.5 hours to desolder. Really is. Maybe someone with a little bit more skill could do it faster. Someone do it often, but desolder has never been a good thing with me. So yeah, that doesn't work out well. So hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'm in lots of trouble, because I've soldered back everything and I'm not going to spend 4 hours. I'm just going to buy an next module. So hopefully it works. Let's go testing. Fortunately, the repairs were successful. All the buttons work. I should have probably cleaned the second one that I took out, but again, it was a risk in opening any of those switches. The amount of parts in there, sometimes you don't get them to close back, so we had a good switch, don't interfere with it. So all in all, successful repair, useful. Not too sure I'd recommend anybody trying that, because the desoldering process is rather difficult, but if you can get past that, it's not that hard to do, and I'm sure saves quite a bit of money by the time you add shipping and handling, probably to the US. So worth it.